to Soondol, the mysterious and beautiful land filled with many flowers and a lot of stars.
Oh no! Why are you blocking the yellow path? I see you're a small, crawling critter and one of the hairiest creatures.
What? You're also small. You're a tiny, ugly seed with not many colorful features.
Don't say I am tiny and ugly. That is mean.
Don't cry. I have an idea. Let's go talk to Soondol the Wizard. Soondol the Wizard will give us good and wise advice on how we can grow and become beautiful creatures.
Sounds like a plan. Vamonos, let's go. Look ahead. Look over there. There are many bright-colored flowers. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah, I also see many butterflies. Look over there. There are also birds, fairies, rabbits, and squirrels in Soondoland. Do you see the white and yellow butterflies? Aren't their wings amazing?
Look at the stars.
The stars are sparkling and bright.
The stars are shining on us.
We are here.
Who is there?
I'm Aebeolle the caterpillar. I need some advice. I'm sad because I'm a small, slow critter who can only crawl underground.
I am Ssias the seed. I'm sad because I'm tiny and ugly. And I'm not a very colorful seed.
Don't be sad, Aebeolle and Ssias. Aebeolle the caterpillar, time will come when you will make a cocoon and then come out cocoon as a marvelous butterfly. You will spread your wings and fly in the sky. You don't know your future yet. And Ssias the seed, drink water and get sunlight. Then you will grow into a beautiful flower, and your sweet fragrance will spread all over Soondoland. Growth takes time. Just wait.
Really? That's great! I'll make sure I get enough water and sunlight to grow into a bright, colorful flower.
I'm happy. I will eat a lot of fruits and vegetables to get strength so I can grow.
Look at Soondoland, which is filled with bright and colorful flowers and magnificent butterflies. You both will become beautiful creatures in this land. You will bring great beauty and joy. Just wait. Time will come when you both will grow.
Thank you for your advice, Soondol the Wizard. Bye.
Thanks! Love you, Soondol the Wizard! Bye!
See you next time. Bye.